Hello students, welcome to MacTab. I am Ayush and here I am again with you with the next lecture of the series of number system. I hope you have completed the previous lecture. If not, I advise you to first complete the previous lecture and then come to this one so that you can understand each and every concept clearly. So without further ado, let's start our next lecture of this series of number system. In this lecture, we'll do some more question based on the properties of whole numbers. That is, this is the part 2 of the previous lecture. In this class, we'll do questions, and by doing these questions, we'll realize how these properties are helping us in calculating faster. So let's come to the first question. Here it is given 297 multiplied with 17 plus 297 multiplied with 3. As I have taught you in the previous lecture, what we'll do in this kind of question is we'll just take the common, like here 297 is common here because 297 into 17 plus 297 into 3, that means in both the terms there is a 297, so we can write it here 297. It is in multiplication, then we can make a bracket, and in this bracket what we will do, we'll just add these two terms, right? This is how we were doing these kind of questions, right? So 13 plus 17 plus 3. Now it is 297 multiplied with 17 plus 3 is, it is 20, right? So to multiply 297 with 20, what we will do, we'll just put a 0 here and then we'll multiply 297 with 2. That is 297 multiplied with 2. 2 into 7 is 2 into 7 is 14. 4 here, 1 extra. Then 2 into 9 is 2 into 9 is 18, and plus this 1. So 18 plus 1 99 here, 1 extra. 2 into 2 is 4 plus this 1, that means 594. 297 into 2 is 594, and this 0 because of this 0 here, right? So the answer is 5940. Got it? I hope you got this. Now let's come to the next one. It is the similar question. Here I have 54,279 multiplied with 92 plus 8 multiplied with 54,279. So we can see that 54,279 here and here is common. So what we will do, we'll just write it here like this: 54279 and then a bracket, because it is in multiplication. When we write something like this, that means this 2 is in multiplication with whatever thing is written in the bracket, so it is in multiplication here. Now we'll just write these two terms in addition, right? This is how we have done the previous question, right? 92 plus 8. Got it? So what will it become? 54279 multiplied with 92 plus 8 is, it is 100. Now I want you guys to tell me what will be the result of this multiplication. The result will be 5 4 2 7 9 00, right? Because I have told you here in multiplication, if there is two zeros here, then we will write 20 here only. And now what we are left with, we just want to multiply 1 with this term 54,279. If we multiply any term with 1, we'll get the same term. That means we'll get 54,279 here, and then we'll add these two zeros. So this will be the answer. I hope you got this. Let's come to the next question. Here it is written 81,265 multiplied with 169 minus, notice this sign minus, 81,265 multiplied with 69. So we can see that this 81,265 is common in both the terms, right? So we will take it common here 81265, and in bracket what we will do, we'll just subtract 69 from 169. Why? Because there is a subtract sign here. So 169 minus 69, so the outcome will be 81,265 multiplied with what will come if I subtract 69 from 169. 9 minus 9, 0. 6 minus 6, 0. And 1 here as it is. So it will become 100, right? Now I want you guys to do this calculation for me. This is very easy, right? I hope you got this. 81265 and 00, right? So coming to this question, here we have 3845 multiplied with 5 and again multiplied with 782. Then a addition sign and 769 multiplied with 25 multiplied with 218. So here nothing is common, but what I can see is this. Here is a 2 and here is a 8. If I add these two, because of this addition we will add, so if I add these two terms, I'll get some zeros, right? Because 8 plus 2 is 10, we'll get some zeros, so we will not change these digits. What we will do is, here I can see is a 25. 25 is 5 into 5, right? And here we have only 5, but in this number we can see that the unit digit is 5. That means this number will be divided by 5. If I divide this number with 5, if I divide this number with 5, it will cut, right? So what we'll do is 3845 divide by 5. So how will you divide it? 5 into 7. 5 into 7 is 35. What we are left with? We are left with 3. We will take this 4 here, right? Now 5 into 6 is 30, because 5 into 7 is 35. It is bigger than 34. So we will write 5 into 6. 5 into 6 is 30. Now we are left with 4 and here is a 5. So 5 into 9 is 45. That's it. So we can see that this 383,845 is nothing but 769 here, from here 769 multiplied with 5 here. So if I multiply these two, I'll get this term. So here I can see that there is a 769 here and here. That means they have just multiplied this 1 from this 25 to this 769. So this 3845 is nothing but 369 into 5. And again there is a 5 in multiplication, right? Into 5 again, into 782 plus here 769 into 5. This 25 is 5 into 5, right? So we'll write 5 into 5 into 218. Now I can see that this term and this term is common in both the numbers, right? So what will I do? I'll just write this apart. 769 into 25. I'm multiplying these two. 5 into 5 is 25. Either you can write 5 into 5 or you can just multiply it and write 25. So I'm writing 769 into 25. So it is common in both the terms. I'll place a bracket here. Now we are left with this term and this term. And we will add this because of this sign, right? So 782 plus 218. Now if I add 782 plus 218, what will I get? 8 plus 2, 10, 1 extra. 8 plus 9 plus 10, 0, 1 extra. 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1, 10 again. That means this will become 1000, right? This will become 1000. So what we are left with now? 769 into 25 into 1000. Got it? So now we have to multiply these terms. How we will do it? Wait a second. Let me make some space for the calculation. Yeah. So now here we can say it is 1000. That means 3 zeros. So we will not multiply this. We'll first multiply these two. 7, 6, 9 into 25. 5 into 9, 45. 5 here, 4 extra. Don't write 4 here, write 4 here, because when we just multiply it with 2, it will create confusion, right? So 5 into 9, 45. 5 here, 4 extra. 5 into 6, 30 plus this 4, 34. 4 here, 3 extra. 5 into 7, 5 into 7 is 35 plus this 3, that is 38. Now put a cross here. Then 2 into 9 is 18. 8 here, 1 extra. 2 into 6, 12 plus this 1, 13. 3 here, again 1 extra. Now 2 into 7 is 14 plus this 1, 15. So if I add 5, then 8 plus 4 is 12. 2 here, 1 extra. 8 plus 1, 9 plus 3. 8 plus 1, 9 plus 3 is 12. 2 here, again 1 extra. Then 5 plus 3, 8 plus this 1, 9. And then this one. So if I multiply 769 and 25, I'll get this 19225. And now I want to multiply it with 1000, right? Because here it is multiplied with 1000. What will we get? We will get 19225 into 1000. Got it? So 19225 and triple zero. Right? So this will be the answer. Oh, this question is little tricky. That means a bit lengthy. But I want you guys to do it at least twice. Then it will make sense and you will not face any problem in future when you will be doing these kind of questions. Got it? I want you to repeat this question at least twice. Okay, and do all the multiplications yourself. Let's come to the next one. Here it is written that find the product using suitable properties. Okay, so what is suitable here? We will just apply the distributivity property, because here 738 is multiplied with 103. So what we will do, we will just split this term like this: 738 multiplied with 100 plus 3. 103. 103 is nothing but 100 plus 3, right? So this is how can I write it. Now I'll multiply 738 with 100 first, then I'll multiply 738 with 3, and then I'll add those two, right? So if I multiply 738 with 100, what will I get? I'll get 73800. I can do it directly now, right? And what about 738 into 3? We will do the calculation quickly. 8 into 3, 24. 4 here, 2 extra. 3 into 3 is 9 plus 2, 11. 1 here, 1 extra. 7 into 3 is 21 plus this one, 22. So if I multiply this 738 with 3, I'll get 2214. Now we will just add it: 73800 and 2214. Add this: 4 plus 0, 4, 1 plus 0, 1, 8 plus 2. What is 8 plus 2? It is 10. 0 here, 1 extra. 3 plus 2, 5 plus this 1 extra, 6. And then this 7. So the answer will be 76014. Got it? This is how we apply these properties, right? If I directly multiply 738 with 103, it will be a bit difficult for us. So we will just split it into two easy terms, because multiplying any number with 100 is very easy. So we just multiply 738 with 3 and we will straight away reach to our answer, right? This question I am leaving for you guys because it is same as the previous one. So I want you guys to do this question on your own. Okay, do it as your homework. Got it? Now coming to this one, 258 multiplied with 10008. What is this term? If I split it into two, 108 can be written as 1000 plus 8, right? So if I write 258 multiplied with 1000 plus this 8. So what we will do? First multiply these two. 258 and 3 zeros, right? Because of this 1000 plus 258 into 8. Will multiply this with 8 here, right? So 8 into 8 is 64. 4 here, 6 extra. 8 into 5 is 8 into 5 is 40 plus this 6, 46. 6 here, 4 extra. 8 into 2 is, what is 8 into 2? 8 into 2 is 16 plus this 4, 20. So we'll get 2064. Now add these two. 258 000 plus 2064. 4 plus 0, 4. 6 plus 0, 6. 0 plus 0, 0. 8 plus 2, 10. 0 here, 1 extra. 5 plus 1, 6. And this 2. So the answer will be 260024. So we have just splitted this 1800, 1008. Why we are splitting this term and not this one? Because here we can see that here is a 200 plus 50 plus 8. That means it is difficult to split. But if I split this term, then I can directly split it into two. Here 1008. Multiplying any number with 1000 is very easy. We'll just add three zeros, right? So what we are left with, just this 258 multiplied with 8. So we'll just quickly do this and then add these two. So now let's come to the next one, this question. For this I'm erasing these questions, right? So here, what will I do? Do I split this one or this one? Obviously this one, because I can see that this is 1000 plus 5, right? So 1000 plus 5 multiplied with 168. What we will do? 168 multiplied with 1000, 168 000, right? And this 168 into 5, 168 into 5. Quickly multiply 168 into 5. 5 into 8 is 40. 0 here, 4 extra. 5 into 6 is 30 plus 4, 34. 4 here, 3 extra. 5 into 1 is 5 plus this 3. 5 plus 3 is 8. So it is 840. So I'll get 168000 plus 840. Now if I want to add these two, what will I do? 168000 plus 840, right? So 0 plus 0, 0. 4 plus 0, 4. 8 plus 0 is 8. And this 8, this 6, and this 1. So the answer will be 16880. Got it? I hope you got this concept of using the property to make our calculations easy. Now let's come to the next one. Here in this question it is written that a taxi driver filled his car petrol tank with 40 liters of petrol on Monday. Okay. The next day he filled the tank with 50 liters of petrol. Okay. If the petrol costs 44 per liter, okay, how much did he spend on all petrol? That means 1 liter petrol is equals to 44. We have to pay 44 for 1 liter of petrol, right? So if I want to buy 40 liter of petrol, 40 liters of petrol, what will I do? I have to pay 44 for 1 liter into 40, because now it is 40 liters. That means 44 for 1 liter is 44. 44 into 40 liters will multiply these two, right? So this is the cost of 1 liter petrol, and this is the quantity which we want, right? We want 40 liters. So what we will do, this is 40 liters into 44, because 44 is the price per liter, plus this we have purchased on Monday, as it is written here, 40 liters petrol on Monday. A taxi driver filled his car petrol tank with 40 liters of petrol on Monday. So this is for Monday, 40 liters at the rate of 44 rupees per liter, right? Here, the next day, he filled the tank with 50 liters of petrol now, plus, because on the next day, he bought 50 liters more at the rate of 44 only, right? So, this has become the question now. So, what we will do, as we can see that here 44 and 44 is common, right? So 44 is, we will take common. This is the rate of petrol. Now we will just add the quantities he has bought on Tuesday, Monday, as well as on the next day, right? So on Monday he bought 40 liters. Then on Tuesday he bought 50 liters. In total, what quantity of petrol he bought? 50 plus 40. So it is 90 liters of petrol in 2 days at the rate of 44. That means cost of 1 liter of petrol is 44. So, and in total he bought 90 liters. So how we will find the cost of the petrol? We'll just multiply these two. So to multiply 44 with 90, what we will do? We'll write a 0 here because of this 0, and we'll just multiply 44 with 9. 9 into 4 is 36. 6 here, 3 extra. Then 9 into 4 is 36 again, plus this 3. 39. So the cost will be 3960. That means 3960 for 90 liters of petrol. Got it? This is what the question has asked. How much did he spend in all petrol? That means for both the days. He bought 40 liters on first day, 50 liters on next day. So we just will just add these two quantities of both the days. In total, he bought 90 liters of petrol, right? 40 on Monday and 50 on Tuesday. And the price of 1 liter is 44. So the price of 90 liter will be 44 multiplied with 90, and we will reach this sum. That means the taxi driver has to pay this 3960 in total for both the days. I hope you got this. Now let's come to the next one. Yeah, here what we have to do is we have to match the followings, right? So here it is written commutativity under multiplication. Okay. Here it is written commutativity under addition. Okay. And here it is written distributivity of multiplication over addition. Okay. So first we will check this. What is it? Here it is a 425 and 136. So this is equals to 425 multiplied with the question is break these two, these 136 into 100 plus 30 plus 6. So this 100 plus 30 plus 6 is nothing but this 136 is equals to 100 plus 30 plus 6, right? If I add these numbers, we'll get 136. So here it is distributivity. This number is distributed. So it is distributivity. Where it is written distributivity? Here. Distributive of multiplication over addition. That means in this question of multiplication, we just distributed this number to its addition. That means here we have three terms. First we will add these two and we will get this. So it is distributivity of multiplication over addition, right? So we will match this first to this one, right? To this one. Got it? Now here what I have this 2 into 49 into 50. That means it is equals to 2 into 50 into 49. This is what we have learned. We can either multiply these two numbers first, or we can either multiply these two numbers first. So we can write it the way we want. We can write these two numbers first, or we can write these two numbers first. So this is the property of commutativity. We can commute the numbers the way in the in the order we want, right? We can write this as well: 49 into 50 into 2. It will not make any difference because no matter in what order we multiply, we'll get the same answer. This is what we have learned in our property classes, first class of properties of whole numbers, right? So this is commutativity under multiplication. Here is the sign of multiplication. So this is commutativity under multiplication. So I'll match this with this one, commutativity under multiplication, right? Now here I have 80 plus 2005 plus 20. In addition, I can also write it 80 plus 20 plus 2005. Will it make any difference? No, because no matter if I write 5 plus 3 or 3 plus 5, both will give the answer of 8, right? So we can write it in any order we want, right? So this is commutativity under addition. We can commute the number in any manner we want, right? We can just place this 20 here, we can place this 80 here, right? I can also write it like this: 2005 plus 20 plus 80. This will also not make any difference because the sum will be same. So this is commutativity under addition. Got it? I hope you got this concept. If there is any problem in this, I advise you to revise the class in which we have done this properties of whole numbers. So that's all from my side from for today. I hope you enjoyed the class. You got each and every concept very clearly. In the next lecture, we'll start our next topic, that is patterns in whole numbers. Till then, take care, study hard, and practice as much as you can.